the hydraulic cartridge directional control valve with 2mm hole. AAK solved Renato's trouble. Renato comes from Brazil and recently developed a hydraulic cartridge directional control valve, which caused him trouble. In May this year, the improved hydraulic power unit required customized hydraulic cartridge directional control valves. Renato chose an old supplier to make samples. The samples were recognized by the technical department, except for the valve hole accuracy of the hydraulic cartridge directional control valve. After sending samples several times, the original manufacturer still failed to achieve the stable accuracy, wasting more than 60 days, and had to give up. The technical department complained that Renato didn't choose high-quality hydraulic cartridge valve manufacturer for this directional control valve, which made Renato very worried. Renato left a message on AAK website. Can AAK finish 30 pieces of non-standard customized hydraulic cartridge directional control valves in 30 days? With the valve cage and hole accuracy within 2mm, cylindericity within 3mm, and surface roughness within 0.2, most hydraulic cartridge valve manufacturers will not give a reply for this small quantity of customization. Either they don't like it or cannot handle it. After communication, we learned that the original manufacturer of the hydraulic cartridge directional control valve wasted too much of time, making him very passive. I sent him some cases that AAK customized hydraulic cartridge directional control valves for customers in the past. Involved detailed requirements such as accuracy, cylindericity, surface roughness, and so on. Renato paid the development fee the next day, and 30 days later, AAK sent out 30 samples of hydraulic cartridge directional control valves. 2 weeks later, Renato informed us that their technical department approved the samples of AAK hydraulic cartridge directional valves, and his trouble was finally resolved. In fact, the accuracy of this hydraulic cartridge directional control valve is not too difficult. As long as the precision machining details are in place, the stability of the accuracy should not be a problem. The original manufacturer's processing is not poor and may not be strict in the details. This hydraulic cartridge directional control valve hole is precision machined by AAK using an American vertical honing machine. The precision requirement is for military products, and AAK has also upgraded its pneumatic measuring instrument from precision machining to measurement in one step without the need for replacement processes. The spindle speed of the honing machine is set between 220 and 250 RPM, and most hydraulic cartridge valve manufacturers prefer to choose between 260 to 300 RPM. However, for the stability of accuracy, AAK doesn't recommend this setting. After installing the hydraulic cartridge directional control valve into the fixture, it can achieve simultaneous precision machining of 8 models. The feed adopts stepness speed change, and the abrasive particles forcibly enter the machining valve hole to ensure that there are no dead collars in the valve hole. The valve cage bears constant grounding force, which is also conducive to the stability of accuracy. AAK hydraulic cartridge directional control valve, 1 equipment, 2 details, ensuring accuracy and stability. You can also give it a try.